Hello, this is Steve Conley, the owner of Environmental Auto and Severna Park Auto Body, with my friend Pearl. That's our little pet. Anyway, Pearl's my best friend, besides my wife and my family, of course. And today, we just want to post something that's, kind of fun, kind of get things, off our minds, so to speak. So we're hoping you're okay and everybody's staying safe. I know everybody's hanging out in the houses and hopefully, safe distance, practice safe distance. But we also have a challenge for you. Just kind of make things fun. If you would like to place a video of you and your pet on Facebook, talk about anything, something fun, something you're doing, anything, want to say something positive. Got to be positive. We're going to give you a free oil change for posting that on our Facebook page. Okay? And the other thing I'd like to say is thank you very much to our first responders, our doctors, our nurses, and our police and our fire department. And I want to offer them a free oil change also in our community to help just give back to our community and help them. So if you post a video, call us, make an appointment. You have to drop it off because we don't have any waiting appointments, trying to keep things safe. And if you're a first responder, same thing, just make an appointment, give us a call, and we'll bring your car in or your truck, and we'll do a nice oil change, look it over for you, do a nice service, because we appreciate what you do, okay? So Pearl and I would love to see your videos, so go ahead, put them up there. Let's see what we can do, right, Pearl? Huh?